not having to tweak chlorine pumps, especially sometimes if chlorine's too high or too low, a smell and a taste is affiliated with it. And I think since the CertiSafe mixer, it's definitely created a more stable, consistent chlorine residuals. My name is Matt Holman. I work for the City of Prescott, located in the City of Prescott, and I am currently the wastewater and water operator in charge. The City of Prescott's population is just right around 5,000, maybe a little bit less, so we serve about 5,000 people. Here in Prescott, we have 2 elevated water tanks. They're both 250,000 gallons apiece. Since the CertiSafe mixer installation in our water tower number 2, I have noticed a more constant chlorine residual. It doesn't spike up or down, and you're not constantly having to adjust chlorine feed pumps in your wells. So you're not getting on Monday my water tasted like a pool, and on Friday it tasted like a pool, but on Wednesday it tasted fine, and it's just not good for an image when your water tastes like a pool.